This is my everyday makeup routine that I pretty much wear every single day. I'm gonna show you how to do it using all of my Sephora Sale recommendations. I use this Rode Lip Plumper pretty much every single day. I just let it sit on my lips while I get ready. It makes the lips look so plump. It feels really hydrating and nourishing at the same time. The Rode product, this is the Rode Glazing Milk. I also use this pretty much every day. I use this as skin prep, and I've also been doing the Hailey Bieber hack where she mixes it into foundation or skin tint to kind of sheer it out, and it's so beautiful. Tatcha Milky Sunscreen is my favorite. I think it might be one of the best sunscreens I've ever tried. This is basically like if the Rode Glazing Milk was an SPF. It feels so good. Look at that glow. It feels really light. Works really well underneath makeup. For everyday, I usually lean towards a skin tint versus a foundation. This is the Armani skin tint, and I apply it with a brush, and I really just kind of sheer this out because I don't want too much coverage. This Tower 28 Serum Concealer is my favorite for when I don't want a lot of coverage. When I look for an everyday concealer, I want something that's really lightweight. It's still gonna give me a little bit of coverage. Like, you can see how flawless that looks. The LYS bronzer stick is one of the best cream bronzers on the market in my opinion. It is very pigmented though. So I will put it on the back of my hand first and coat the brush completely. You can see how much pigment that is even with me like shearing it out on my hand. Just apply it to all of the areas that I want to look like I'm sun-kissed. Instead of contouring the nose, I'm just gonna take the brush and just tap on the nose. Toasted Teddy by Rode. This is one of my favorite cream blushes. A lot of people say that this doesn't last long, and I personally don't have that experience with this blush. At the end of the day, it still looks flawless. I love the consistency. It's really glowy, and this shade specifically I think is just a year-round really gorgeous shade. To apply it kind of towards the center of the face, it really looks like I've gotten a lot of sun. The One Size translucent powder is a staple in my routine. A really fine powder gives you a really flawless airbrushed finish. I've been applying it with a brush just so it looks a little bit more natural. You can just see the difference. I will just take a fluffy brush and just set the rest of the face with that same powder. I've been using the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray for so long. This just really hydrates but also sets the makeup. These Hourglass highlighters are a newer product that I've been really loving. I really love highlighters that melt into the skin and really give you a skin-like finish. Anything too glittery, this is like the perfect highlighter. Look how beautiful that is. Another product that I've been using for forever is this Anastasia Brow Wiz. I just love how tiny the applicator is. It gives you a really precise application, and it also lasts all day on me. I don't actually use powder bronzer on the face for everyday makeup, but I do use it on the eyes, and this Armani powder bronzer is definitely my favorite. I like that it's not overly warm. I love to use this as an eyeshadow base. Sometimes I will just skip mascara because I'm lazy every day, but I've been really loving this Makeup by Mario Brown mascara that really just gives a natural lash look. You can't tell me that that doesn't just look like my own lashes. Since my skin is a little bit more on the oily side, I like to tap just a little bit of a powder blush on top. I feel like this just really like blurs and makes your blush look really flawless. Love the Cloud Paint blushes from Glossier. Shade literally goes perfect with the cream blush. This is shade Gale. The Refi lip liners, I swear, are so underrated. I'm obsessed with the applicator. Look at how tiny it is. And these last a long time. Like, they dry down quickly, so you do kind of have to work fast. Obsessed with them. This is shade Fawn. Lastly, we have the Patrick Ta lip balms. I love the consistency of these. It's really thin, hydrating, and I love the shade range. Look at how glossy that makes the lips look. Not sticky at all. Alright, you guys, here is the final everyday makeup look. Really never fails me. Let me know what you guys think and which products you'll be picking up during the sale.